Good morning, students. It is your fourth video clip. Today we are going to study about the letters written by Jawaharlal Nehru to his daughter Indira Gandhi. This has become another important aspect of history. The letters from Jawaharlal Nehru to his daughter was actually 30 letters that he has written to his daughter when his daughter was 10 years old. At that time, Indira Gandhi's name was Priyadarshini. Through these letters, he taught his daughter about natural history and different civilizations of the world. These letters were written in English and sent from Allahabad to Mussoorie. Munshi Premchand, who is a great Hindi writer, wrote this Pita ke putri ke naam. Pita ke patra putri ke naam. The letters played an important role in developing Indira Gandhi's mind. He first wrote about removing the narrowness or the mentality of human being and accepting what is good from the environment. Wrote that people in every country think that they are more intelligent and superior, but we should know that how to accept good things and reject the bad. He advised his daughter that to dream about a world which will be of peace, happiness, religion and morality are the utmost importance in our life. He wrote about the importance of agriculture without which we cannot survive. Politics and farsightedness of politicians was discussed also to make her aware of what is politics and what are the politicians' tasks. In some letters, he projected India to be a democratic republic. He talked about globalization, the expansion of trade and commerce through his letters. He also tried to talk about the expansion of handloom industries and the importance of the expansion of their industry so that India could become a self-sufficient industry. Next is periodicals and newspapers. Periodicals are published at regular intervals, and newspaper, as we all know, are published in a very cheap and teleprinted way without binding, whereas periodicals are binded and they're more expensive. Papers binding and are published weekly, whereas newspapers are published every day. Periodicals do not deal with fresh or current accounts, but newspapers deals with the current accounts. Periodicals have pictures and newspapers have pictures, but to a limited amount. More writing is there. Periodicals, some of them are Shobuj Potro, Probashi Kollol. These are important. Question can also come as what is the difference between periodicals and newspaper? We all know that is periodicals are published at regular intervals, whereas newspapers are published every day. Periodicals are expensive, whereas newspapers are cheap. Periodicals have pictures and newspapers have pictures but with more information. And periodicals does not deal with current affairs, whereas the newspapers deals with current affairs. The first Bengali periodical was Digdarshan as a monthly paper, Samachar Darpan as a weekly, and the first weekly English paper was Bengal Gazette of James August Hickey. The first daily Bengali newspaper was Sambad Prabhakar, edited by Ishwar Chandru. Bongodarshan by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay was a magazine as a periodical, originally articles written by Bankim Chandra, but it covered many topics like farmers' rebellion, Indigo rebellion, British oppression on the farmers, portrait of contemporary society of Babu culture of Kolkata. What is Babu culture? Generally the elite class or the zamindar class or the high class or men were considered to be babus who invested their money and their time in only relaxing and luxury. Bankim Chandra directly challenged the Babu culture. It was a decadent trend because they were not addicted to it at their home, they were not good with their own relationship. They spent most of their time outside their home. Som Prakash was another first political newspaper in Bengali which was published by Daruka Nath Vidyabhushan. It was a weekly journal with political news were published rather than creative literary work. This magazine we come to know about the fate of British rule. Daruka Nath Bandyopadhyay published Som Prakash had the title Vidyabhushan. This magazine was published every Monday, and the government banned the publication of magazine because it protested against the Vernacular Press Act of Lord Lytton in 1878. This paper also criticized government activities and its oppression and talked about the Indigo Revolt and Indigo oppression. Now we have also learned about the advantages of using internet. The advantage of using internet: information can be collected when required, and the internet helps us in providing correct information about many complex problems. What are the disadvantages? The information collected may not always be correct. Even today, everybody do not have the access to internet. If you do not have access, how can you use the internet? It is one of the most important disadvantage. The required information may not be available. What you are requiring may not be available on the internet. Nothing can be done if there is a link failure. If the internet or the mobile data or the internet facility you are using is not good in terms of its network facility, then how can you use it? At that point of time when you are finding about the information, the link may not be available to you. And we also come to know about photography. What is the importance of photography in modern Indian history? In 1844, commercial photography started in India. The first native photographer of India was Nawab Ahmad Ali Khan of Lucknow. An English civilian named William Johnson first set studio in Bombay. He started Bombay Photography Society along with William Hudson. Army Sergeant John Mackos, an English photographer, took many pictures of Dalip Singh of Punjab. The albums of Frederick Freebig and Dr. John Murray also helps in the study of history of photography. Photography is one of the most important aspects of our life, not only today but also in the past, because from photography it has changed our life thoroughly. Because of this, we get to conclude about what the features or the images portrays us. With this video clip, the revision of the chapter ends. Then the video clip will be on the questions and answers. Thank you.